Potential Engineering presents portable, high-efficiency fixed disc oil skimmer. Oil adheres to the rotating oleophilic disc, carried upward to scrapers that remove it effortlessly. The removed oil is continuously collected in the oil collection tank. Available in single and double disc variants, our skimmer is electric-driven at a fixed speed. Popular as an accessory for coolant tanks, it's efficient and easy to use. Oleophilic disc. The rotating oleophilic disc, dipped into the water, adheres to oil and carries oil upward towards a pair of scraper blades. It is available in single double disc variants. Scraper assembly. Scraper wipes oil from both sides of the disc. After wiping, the oil is channeled by the tray connected under the wiper arrangement. The scraper assembly is designed such that it can be adjusted to have gentle contact with the moving disc. Decantation tank. Decantation tank separates the additional water content and diverts it back to the main tank. Press the switch on button of the DOL starter. Observe the rotation of the oleophilic disc. Our fixed disc skimmer achieves 98% oil recovery efficiency with only 2% water content. Advantages of our fixed disc oil skimmer. Compact, reliable, and low maintenance. Plug-and-play model. Saves coolants by removing tramp oil. Capacity, 5 lph to 30 lph. Compact design suitable for tank top mounting. Economical and easy maintenance. We offer 3 standard models of fixed disc oil skimmer, depending on the required oil recovery capacity. Choose our fixed disc oil skimmer for clean and hassle-free oil removal. Potential Engineering, solving for humanity.